Although basketball is still the primary focus of Michael Jordan's own brand under the Nike Incorporated umbrella, the company has broadened its focus over time to encompass other sports. With game royal accents, an Air Jordan 1 Mid TD Cleat for American football has surfaced ahead of the summer. Reminiscent of the classic royal blue sneaker from the first release of the original Air Jordan and the 2014 collaboration with Hiroshi Fujiwara, the pair mostly uses the tried-and-true color blocking. With game royal accents at the ankle flaps and lower heel, the back part of the football cleat faithfully recreates the Chicago style. At the quarter section, around the forefoot, and around the tongue, however, overlays with a patent leather finish depart from tradition. The toe box matches the redesigned spikes underfoot by embracing the blue hue of the title. Savor the official look of the pair for the next football game. The $150 cleat should be accessible on Nike.com or Jordan before the summer is out.